Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I customize this mug using one of Teckwrap's newly released vinyls. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. So here are the newly released glitter brush adhesive vinyls that Techwrap now offers on their website. The one that I'm using in this video is the third one here, which is called Hollow Cloud. On the next clip, I'll show you what it looks like outside of the packaging. I do have a discount code with Techwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put the Techwrap website down below in the video description, and I'll also put my discount code there. These vinyls are textured and shimmery. If you're looking for quality vinyl, definitely check out the Techwrap website. Their website is filled with all types of vinyls, from basic colors to specialty vinyl. So here I have already cut out my decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. I did cut this vinyl out using the textured metallic vinyl cut setting since this vinyl is textured. I am now going to go in with my Teckwrap weeding pen and weed out my decal. This video is sped up. You want to make sure to take your time when weeding out your decal. That way you don't remove any of the important pieces. Here I did remove some of the stars when I weeded out my decal. So I'm going back in with my Teckwrap tweezers here and just putting the pieces back where they go. Then I'm going in with the same tweezers and removing those small fine detail cuts. And here is my decal ready to be placed on my mug. So here's the mug that I'm going to be using. I did purchase it from Walmart for $3.96. It is a glass iridescent mug. I'll link it down below in the video description, and I'll also link an Amazon dupe down below. So now I'm going to take some transfer tape. Here I'm using Techwrap's yellow grid transfer tape, which is high tack and specifically designed for glittered vinyl. I'm going to place it on top of my decal using my squeegee. I'm going to press down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to my transfer tape. And then I'm going to remove the backing. Here I'm using my squeegee and a glitter shaker to keep my cup in place, and then I'm going to try to center this as best as I could on my mug. Using my squeegee, I'm going to press down on my decal to make sure it adheres on well to my cup, and then I'm slowly going to remove the transfer tape. And here is how my mug turned out. I absolutely loved working with this Teckwrap glitter brush adhesive vinyl. I love how it has that pop of shimmer. This iridescent mug paired really well with this vinyl. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.